Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam. So today I thought I would just show you guys a little day in my life vlog because it's going to be a super fun one. We're going to our little house in Joshua Tree, which is about an hour away, and don't worry, we still are social distancing. We're not going to be in contact with anyone. It's just going to be us alone in a cabin in the woods, so we're going to be fine. But yeah, we're going to take some cute Instagram photos. We're also going to do a little campfire. So today should be a really fun vlog. So I just got ready. I did my hair, I put my outfit on, did my makeup, and we're gonna leave soon. So I'll see you guys when we get there. So we've made it into the little house, and I'm in the room that I'm gonna be staying in. It's actually super cute. Let me just show you guys really quickly and turn this around. So this is kind of what it looks like. I have a little bed here. It's super cute with this adorable lamp, and then just some cute wall decor. This really cute basket. Honestly, I want to like live here. And the little chair, I think that chair looks so cute. And then really cute little art stuff. A little AC, which was really cold, so I turned it off. More baskets, a little wall art thing. And we also have a mirror, which is super cute. It's a little round mirror. I kind of want to take it outside and do the whole mirror challenge, but yeah, pretty exciting. So let me just flip this around and tell you guys what we're gonna do. Actually, should I put you guys down? Put you guys down right here. There's no body mirror or like full length mirror, so I'll just show you guys my outfit that I'm wearing for maybe the first picture. So I'm just wearing some black jeans, this top that I hauled, and a denim jacket that I've had. And I think we're just gonna take some Instagram pictures and just chill. So yeah, so this is the living room. It looks super cute. It looks super cute. And then I changed my outfit to this little top. Doesn't really go with this aesthetic, but yes. And we have the dog. But yeah, so what we're doing, we're taking lots of Instagram pics. This top is from Forever, and it kind of shows my gut. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just here to update you guys that I just filmed a little what's in my bag video, so if you guys want to see that soon, it should be up. I think it might be up before this vlog. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. We're just chilling now, and I found this cute little chair. It's like a wooden chair to sit on and film my video. I think it looks really good. I honestly want to live in this house because the lighting is just perfect. So yeah, I thought I would just give a little update on what we're doing. I'm just filming a video, probably gonna edit it soon. So yeah, really quickly, we're outside. I just wanted to show you guys the outdoor part because it's so cute as well. And it's a little windy, so I'm sorry if like you can't hear me that great, but this is kind of what it looks like. As you guys can see, we just have a little like fire pit station, and it's all pretty much dirt. There's kind of a lot of red ants on the floor, so we need to be a little careful. And we just have a bunch of like cacti and this little, what is it, this little sofa, and then this really cute little picnic table with some candles on it. There's some cute little string lights up there, and then my favorite part is probably this hammock. It's literally so cute and aesthetic. I always wanted a hammock in my backyard. And then we just have this hanging tree, or this hanging plant, and some cute wall art. I don't know what this door is for though.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to.
So we're gonna go make some s'mores right now. It's a little too windy to make them outside, so that light just flickered. It's a little too windy to make them outside and do a bonfire, so we might not do it until a little later when the wind calms down, but I wanted to still make the s'mores because content. So yeah, we're also watching Kim's Convenience. Making some s'mores.
Jesus.
What? That's the best way to make it.
Yeah.
Really?
First bite.
Not the chocolate.
Finally got the fire started after a million years, so it's a lot warmer in here. So right now I'm just in the other room. I'm in my sister's room because the other room has really bad lighting and I cannot stop looking at this sit. Like, it's actually bugging me. But yeah, this room is super cute as well. I keep saying cute in so many videos. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, this is what this room looks like. Let me just show you guys. I honestly want to ask the lady like where she got all of her cute decor at, because everything in here is just so aesthetically pleasing. It's so cute, as I say that word again. But yeah, this room is a lot more like, it's like a white theme, so like there's white bedding, there's like a few pops of color, and I really like the drapes in here. And then this is just all of our stuff. A really cute round mirror. She loves round mirrors, I guess, because there's been a bunch of round mirrors. This top is not mine. It's just like DIY'd and tie-dyed. It's blue. It's super cute. So yeah. And then this wall is like so cute. She has like floating shelves and little baskets. Adorable. Adorable. So now I think we're probably going to take a shower and then wind down and chill and watch some movies. Nothing too crazy, so hopefully you guys had fun watching this video. I feel like this vlog was way more fun than my other vlogs I normally do. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you cannot see my neck. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. Do you guys think this house is cute, or do you think it's like, is this how normal Airbnbs are? Because I've never gone to an Airbnb and this one is like super cute. So if they're all like this, then I definitely want to go to more in the future. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!